In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show how to add captions in Premiere Pro. Here's the video footage in my timeline, and now I'm gonna make caption above this footage. Click this new item. Now click on captions. Also, you can find it from File, New, Captions. From this drop down, select Open Captions, then OK. Drag the caption above all the clips. Make its duration same as video footage. Here we can see caption has been added. Double click on this black text box, then caption editor will open. Now write your desired text here. We can edit our text from here. Enlarge this panel to see all the options. Here we can change font size, and from here we can change font. Also we can change color of background. Click this background box and then click the color box and choose background color. Also you can change the opacity for background. By clicking here we can change text color. Here we can change the position of the caption by clicking this dot icon. We can add captions wherever we want. Also, we can change position by giving X value and Y value. For adding another caption, simply click on this plus icon. Here another caption has been added. Now write another text here. Drag this text to make bigger and smaller. In this way, we can add as many captions as we want. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.